Yeah, I'm aware because see, again, because of course I'm not involved directly because this is the issue which has to be taken care of by the district collector. So district collector is taking care of all this, but I'm just telling you of all, we wanted to complete this project as early as possible. So we really wanted to complete as early as possible, especially this 4 lane, because we have seen it the moment you cross Sherpi Bridge towards 7 Mile, towards Upper Shillong side. It's so unfortunate. Or people coming, the moment they reach Upper Shillong, the moment they reach 7 Mile, coming down to Shillong, it takes them to reach Shillong not less than 1.5 to 2 hours. So this is so important road, so important 4 lane road, so important project. I would request all concerned stakeholders, please work together with the government. Let us make sure that the 4 lane construction is completed at the earliest. Once that is done, I'm telling you, it is the blessing for the entire state. Construction work is on. Of course, these days I'm busy for the thing for the by-election. The progress of work is more or less crossed 10%. It has crossed 10%, so the work is on. But of course, due to rain and all, the construction company, they could not, of course, increase the pace of the progress. But I'm sure now winter starts, working season starts. I'm very sure the progress from now on, it will improve a lot. No, this one we are, these are all ongoing. And I just wanted to inform you that the national highway from Shillong, from Sibil, starting from Sibil up to Mawar Keneng, has been handed over to NHIDCL. So they are going to repair it, one repairing, and number two, we want to convert from Barapani, that 4 lane, till the end of border Assam in Barak Bali. So now the survey work is still on. Survey work is on. This project is called Bharat Mala. We are going to again convert these 2 lanes right from Barapani, right from Umyang, right from the ending point of 4 lanes. We will convert into 4 lanes from that ending point of Umyang up to the ending point of Meghalaya, which connects Barak Bali.
It is Ratachera.
Ratachera side, yeah.